Hey guys, so today I have got the second Oh My Goth box to show you. So last month we had their first ever box, which was the May one, and I'm going to assume that obviously this is the June one. You guys sold them out in literally like a day last time, so I don't actually even know if there's any of these left for this month because they sold out so quick last month. But if you didn't see that one, then this is a UK box. They said the prices were going to change depending on what was in the box, so I don't actually know how much this one is. I think they're roughly around like 27, 28, 29 pounds, and I do have a discount code for 5% off as well, which is Luna, so I'll put that here and I'll put that down in the description below in case you want to go and use it. But we are just going to see what is in this. So I haven't opened this yet. This is their information. I think there's a card inside as well, which I'll show you, but I don't know what is in this, so we're opening it together. So right on the top there is just a little thank you card. Then in here we have, oh okay, there is a list of what's in the box. I'm not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but there is a discount code which is Summer Goth for 10% off your July box, so that is even better if anybody needs that. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show that, but there's that anyway. The first thing right on the top is this, which I'm going to assume is probably a bracelet, it looks like. I actually really like this. Usually I don't like jewellery in the boxes that we get very often, but this looks pretty cute though. So it's like a little cord. I'm going to wear it as a bracelet, whatever it is. It's got a little moon and a star on it, and this kind of like moves and tightens. So let's see. I have really big wrists and really big fingers, like ring size. So it does fit over my wrist, which is good. Just trying to, it's hard to like hold the ends and move the thing at the same time, but we're getting there slowly. I won't do it too tight. That is what that looks like. Very cute. I like that. So that is the first thing. Next we have some socks with little pentagrams on, or pentacles on, whatever you want to call them. I know in a circle it's a pentacle, but in my brain this will forever be a pentagram for some reason. I don't know. Cute though, just little like ankle socks. So that is those. Then we have some Stranger Things coasters, like drink coasters. So it says a Netflix original, and there is 4 in here. So there's one which says Stuck in the Upside Down, one says Mornings for Coffee and Contemplation, one says She's Our Friend and She's Crazy, and one says Friends Don't Lie. Hopefully you can see that because my light shines really brightly on everything. But that's pretty cute though, like a little pack of coasters. Next we have a little pouch with, I think, something in it. Okay, probably the most random thing I've ever seen in a box. But first there is a little button pin badge. And then next there is an actual button. So like to sew onto a clothing item, which is a little Jack Skellington. Very cute, but very, very random. Just one button. Cute though, so there is that. Then we have a choker with a little cat head on it. So it's got little poppers on the back and like a little kitty head on the front. Let's see if it fits my big neck. I mean, I'm definitely wearing too many necklaces now, but this is the choker. Then we've got 2 items left. So the first one is a mask. This looks like the, is it Creepsville one, I think? I'm going to assume it's not because I know you can buy these on like Wish and AliExpress and stuff, so I'm going to assume it's not the like £20 one, it's the like a different one. But it says Elvira and it has her down here. It's just like a cloth fabric kind of face mask. I am not going to put this on properly because I don't want to ruin my makeup. I'm going out soon, but that is what that looks like. And then the last item we've got in here is this, which looks like it's going to be a tapestry or a flag or something, altar cloth fabric-y, something like that. I guess you could use it for anything really. Okay, so it's like a, oh, it's really big. I'm not sure this is going to show on camera. It's like a tarot card and it says the devil. Where is the top? Okay, so this is the top part, and then we have a big ram skull sort of thing, and then it says the devil at the bottom. I actually really like that. That's really kind of creepy and cool. See, I'm more into sort of horror than witchy things, so this is cool to me. I like this. It reminds me of like something that Killstar would do or something like that. So there is that, and that was everything in the June Oh My Goth box. So I will quickly get it all together and show you it all at once again. Okay, so we had the tarot card devil tapestry thing. We have the Elvira face mask. We have the little pin and button in this little pouch. There was the pentacle socks, the Stranger Things coaster set, the little cat choker, and this moon and stars bracelet. So all of these things in the Oh My Goth box. Like I said, they sold out super quickly last month, so I'm not actually sure if they do still have this, but hopefully you can get it if you want it, and if not, then the July one has the 10% off, which is good. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one, if you liked it or not, and I hope you liked the video anyway. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.